Hey everyone, make sure to stay till the end because I'll reveal exactly what it might cost to fix your Uconnect screen. If you're seeing weird bubbles, ghost touches, or strange lines on your Uconnect radio screen, you're not alone. These problems are more common than you might think. Bubbling looks like air pockets or blisters under the screen surface. It can make the display look warped or cloudy. Ghost touches happen when the screen reacts as if you're pressing it, even when you're not. This can cause random apps to open or the radio to change stations by itself. Delaminating means the layers of the screen are separating, which can cause discoloration, lines, or dead spots where the touch doesn't work at all. These issues can make your screen unresponsive, hard to read, or even completely unusable. Most of the time, these problems are caused by adhesive failure, heat, sun exposure, or even manufacturing defects. Over time, heat and sunlight can break down the glue that holds the screen layers together, leading to bubbles or separation. Sometimes a manufacturing defect means the screen was never sealed properly in the first place. No matter the cause, the result is a screen that doesn't work the way it should, and that can be really frustrating. Stick with me till the end, because I'll break down exactly what's going on, and let you know what it might cost to fix. First, let's clear up a big myth. You might have heard about a TSB or even a recall for bubbling or delaminating Uconnect displays on Jeeps or Rams. But according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA ID 1022345, this isn't a recall or a traditional TSB, it's a STAR case, Stellantis' internal advisory for dealers. So what does this STAR case say? Dealers are told to inspect the radio screen closely. Sometimes it's just a bubbling screen protector, not the screen itself. If the screen is delaminating, dealers are supposed to replace the whole display. If unsure, dealers must contact the STAR Center. Now what's it mean for you? Most owners report dealer replacement. Some got goodwill coverage near warranty. Dealers may charge a diagnostic fee around $180 to $200. Out-of-warranty repairs can be a few $100s for parts, more for labor, or DIY at your own risk. Bottom line, STAR case, not a recall, not a TSB. Bubbling usually means a full replacement. Expect about $200 to $1,000 depending on parts and labor. If you're handy and want to try a DIY fix, you can find replacement Uconnect screens and tools online. Make sure to follow a detailed guide, disconnect your car battery, and work slowly to avoid damaging the electronics. This can save money, but remember, DIY repairs are at your own risk and may void any remaining warranty. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.